clean floor give me the feeling of satisfaction and calmness. However, the cleaning is not always satisfying. Being a pet owner, you have permanently something on the floor, the hair well combined with a dust, the nails, the rest of food. We also are adding our part of life's rich tapestry, and here you have it. The floor in need. A couple of months ago on internet, I discovered an atypical steaming mop. Let's call it Polti Moppy. Today I will be unboxing it, so follow me as I go to find out whether it's matter to spend on it or not. It's 3 weeks now that I purchased this box, and I was so excited to dig it out and to try it right away that later on you will see me makeup free and in my casual wig. So stay strong. What I noticed first is that all parts are made of light aluminum, so no bodybuilding part is necessary before lifting it. The base with a water tank is compact and very simple designed. It has a narrow slots for the steam, the lid is easy to open and close, and the opening is large enough so there must be no issues pouring the water. I was wondering whether the buttons have some adjustment function, but no, it's just an indication light. I must confess I had some assembling difficulties, which I'm not showing here as I would like to keep an illusion of my high IQ. You know the fear of breaking something accidentally while assembling. So yes, I had it too, and no, nothing got broken. So how does it look like? The handle is extendable, so it's suitable for people with various height. For me too. It was promised a couple of good things, precisely killing 99.9% of bacteria, viruses and germs. Only tap water is needed, and the best part of it, it's cordless. Actually, all the parts are the best. The electrostatic duster is picking up the dust and hair quite effectively. It's probably functioning similar to Swiffer, which I was never interested into, so not going to repurchase also electrostatic clothes once they will finish. But in general, it did quite good job for catching small particles. Honestly, I was buzzing the most about the steaming part. I was preparing a very nice shot of how easily it is to fill up the water tank. Okay, probably I should also look at the water tank and not at the camera. But jokes aside, it's really very easy. The cloth fastening is super simple. All you need is just placing the mop head on it. No clips or bands are involved. Once plugged in, the water is warming up in 10 seconds, and you shouldn't wait any longer before placing the mop on the base. The green indicator light is showing when the cloth is wet, sanitized and ready to use. You can steam it longer if you want really wet cloth, and like the water drops all over around. I have to admit I was impressed how hot the mop gets, so it's better do not touch it until hot. And it slides really effortlessly over the surface, almost too good to be true, yay! And if there are some stubborn dirty spots, and there are always some stubborn dirty spots, it's enough to go over them a couple of times without even pressing on it. It's really light. As it has no battery, you don't have to hold the weight of the cat in your hands all the time. What I also like very much about this mop, I have very dry hand skin and the water with the detergent in it doesn't help much. So I'm a joy to behold not having to wash the clothes between cleanings and soaking my hands additionally. Of course, you can't avoid completely not touching it, because it's also catching up some dirt like hair, which not disappearing by steaming. But it's easy removable by hand. And also at some point the cloth is getting too dirty to continue, and therefore you can either wash it or replace with the clean one. Okay, removing by foot, how is indicated, didn't work in my case. To wrap it up, it assembles the simple floor mop and steam mop in one, not having snowplow train look from the murder on the Orient Express. This steam mop I've been using every other day for 3 weeks now, and I'm absolutely impressed. I wouldn't be more impressed even if I were paid for telling this. I also have filmed it not all in one go, as I wanted to be sure whether I really like it or not. So if you spotted that it's not always looking crisp like a new one, that's why. It seems that it's already a couple of years on the market, but it's new for me and maybe also for some of you. So if you are looking for a new steam mop, you may want to check Polti Moppy. If you have it in your household, I would be curious to know your feedback. If you liked this video, please give me the thumbs up and smash this subscribing button. Also share it with those to whom it might be useful. Thanks for watching, greetings from Luxembourg, and see you in the next one. Eddie!